Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Ubuntu user and a music lover, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Spotify on Ubuntu 24.04. Whether you're jamming to your favorite playlist or discovering new music, Spotify is a must-have app. And guess what? It's super easy to install. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure you have the curl command line tool installed on your system if you don't have it yet. No worries, just run this command to install it. Next, we need to download and import Spotify's signed GPG keys. This step ensures that the packages we install are authentic and secure. Don't worry about typing out the long commands. I've included them in the video description for you to copy and paste. Now, we need to add the Spotify repository to your system. Copy and paste the following command into your terminal. Once the repository is added, update your package list to include Spotify. Now it's time to install Spotify. Run this command. Going forward, any new version released will be included with your system's regular updates. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Spotify by searching for it in your applications menu. Just type Spotify and click on the icon. And there you go. Spotify is now installed on your Ubuntu 24.04 system. Log in with your account and you're ready to start streaming your favorite tunes. There is also an easy method to install Spotify. You can use Snap through the App Center as a Snap package, which comes pre-installed on Ubuntu. Just open the App Center, type Spotify in the search bar, and click on it, and then click on Install. That's it. Super simple, right? Now you can enjoy Spotify on your Ubuntu machine. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials like this one. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.